All right. So good afternoon. I'm Marcus Harris with REI Financial, business owner, Zip Appliance Repair, Synergy Business Solutions. And today I'm going to do this quick live video before we do the one this evening in our group with my brothers. I wanted to give you and get straight to the point with business solutions, my 3 business softwares that I cannot live without. So first, CRM. I use Synergy Sales. So it's a CRM that my whole team, we're on the same platform. Our phone calls, emails, text messages, everything, our workflow all flows through our CRM. And without it, because I have access on my phone, I can see exactly where all my customers are coming from, where they are within the pipeline, and address things accordingly. So without that, I don't know where I would be, maybe paper or something like this. So if you're struggling with paper, you want to get a CRM. Secondly, Google Workspace. So it used to be called Google Suites. I think it was called Google something else before, but basically it has all your emails, the calendars, Hangout chat rooms. You can create documents on Drive, Sheets, and it's all shareable with a team. So I have a large, well, not a large team, it's a team of 9 of us right now. And for us to manage documents across all different types of platforms, it can be very hard. But with Google Workspace, it makes it all easy because we're all on the same platform. We all have back-end chat messages. And trust me, without it, I wouldn't know where I would begin. And my third piece of software that I could not live without business tool is Square. So we do all of our charges through Square. Now it makes sense to carry a little card reader, to have one here. It makes it nice and easy to take payments. Also, the thing about Square, you get all your sales reports. You can split it by technician, associate, if you receive credit cards, if you receive cash. It slices and dices everything on the fly, so I can get reports, compare them to previous weeks, previous months, all from the phone. So those are my 3 top business tools that I can't live without. So go ahead, check in later. Join us live in our small business strategy, small business funding and strategies group here on Facebook. We're going to be talking, have a special topic coming up for you tonight with JD and Tavante and myself tonight. So I look forward to seeing you there. Have a good one.